In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently set up acuity scheduling on your site to streamline booking appointments with clients. Let's dive in and break down the process step by step so you can get the most out of this powerful tool. To begin, head over to your site's main menu. There, you'll find a selection dedicated to handling appointments called Scheduling. Clicking on this will take you directly to Acuity Scheduling, the robust system you'll use to manage all your client bookings effortlessly. Once you're in Acuity Scheduling, the first thing you should focus on is setting up your services. These are essentially the different types of appointments you offer. Think about what your business provides and create an appointment for each, making sure to include vital details like the duration and pricing for each service. This will not only keep you organized, but also provide your clients with clear options when they are booking time with you. After your services are set up, it's crucial to establish your availability. Decide on the working hours you want to dedicate to appointments and set these times in the system. Doing this will allow Acuity Scheduling to present available time slots to your clients, helping to prevent any double bookings or confusion. The goal here is to ensure that your clients can see exactly when you're free, streamlining the whole process from their end. With your services and availability set up, it's time to tailor the look of your scheduling page. Customizing the design of this page is important, as it should reflect your brand seamlessly. This uniformity in appearance builds trust and offers clients a cohesive experience from browsing to booking. Spend some time selecting colors, fonts, and layouts that align with your brand identity. Now, the final piece of the puzzle is incorporating the scheduler into your site. For this, open the page where you want your clients to easily find and use the booking system. You'll typically have an option to edit the page, and from there, look for an Add Block or Insert Point feature. When you've accessed this section, simply select Scheduling from the available options. This action opens the block editor where you can choose which specific scheduler you'd like to display. Opt for the one that best fits the way you want your booking system to function within the page. There you have it. Your Acuity Scheduling setup is complete. By following these steps, you should now have a fully integrated booking system that reflects your brand and makes scheduling seamless for both you and your clients. With everything in place, you can focus more on delivering great service and less on the back and forth of managing appointments. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough has been helpful in setting up your scheduling system. See you in the next video.